Hello viewers. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best budget DJ speakers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Acoustic Audio by Goldwood Bluetooth Display Speaker. At the top, we are presenting the most reliable choice for a DJ speaker coming from Acoustic Audio by Goldwood. This is also one of the highest selling products in the market. The DJ speaker from Acoustic Audio by Goldwood comes with many attractive features, and the lifetime warranty period might just be the best one. It is a 1000-watt speaker powered by a large 15 inches driver. There is also Bluetooth support so that you can stream music directly from your phone. The unit also consists of an integrated amplifier to make sure the speaker provides high-quality output. Number 2. Our second best pick is PRORECK Party 15 Portable 15-inch 2000-watt two-way powered PA speaker. Most users prefer buying an all-in-one option as it suffices for most of their needs. Thus, PRORECK is offering a complete package along with the DJ speakers. Coming in the third position, we have the PRORECK Party 15. As the name suggests, the PRORECK Party 15 is a perfect choice for parties as this is a set of dual speakers that are powered by 15 inches drivers. Along with that, it offers a powerful output thanks to the 2000 watts RMS power capacity. The package includes two two-way speakers, a high-quality mic, speaker stands, and necessary cables for connections. Number 3. Our third best pick is pair Alphasonik all-in-one 8-inch powered 800W Pro DJ amplified loudspeakers. Alphasonik is our next choice for the best DJ speakers. The following selection from Alphasonik also offers a set of 2 speakers, which is always a better option. The Alphasonik all-in-one DJ speakers also arrive in a set of 2 with each unit housing a compact 8 inches driver. But unlike other compact options, this set has up to 800 watts of power capacity, which is great even for medium to large rooms. Along with the additional speaker, you get a mic, remote control, and stands to mount the speakers at your preferred height. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is LyxPro SPA8 Compact 8-inch Portable PA System 100-watt RMS Power Active Speaker. Opposite to our first pick, the DJ speaker from LyxPro is extremely compact and portable in nature. Therefore, it is a desirable choice for those who use a DJ mixer on the go. The LyxPro SPA8 is quite a different type of speaker compared to other choices on the list. This is our second choice simply because of its compact size and portability. The LyxPro SPA8 comes with an 8 inches driver that reduces the overall size of the speaker by a lot. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Rockville RSG12. 413-way 1000W 4 Omega passive speaker. The DJ speaker set from Rockville is a very powerful unit considering its price tag. You are unlikely to find such a powerful DJ speaker in this budget range. If you already have a great stereo DJ speaker system but missing a woofer, fear not. Rockville is bringing the best DJ speaker for you. The Rockville RSG 12.4 has a 12 inches driver on the speaker, capable of creating very powerful bass. And with the 100 watts power capacity, you can crank the volume to a very high level without noticing a loss in audio quality. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.